Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do SRIDEVI Inspired Makeup look. When I was going through her images, I found this look to be very interesting. So let's see how to create this look. Okay, I'm starting off with moisturizer and applying that on my face to have a very smooth base so that our foundation will sit on our skin very well. For foundation, I'm going to mix these two foundations. I'm mixing these two and dotting it on the face and then blending it out using a flat top brush. As always, I'll mention the products in the description box for the reference. Make sure to check it out. And whatever the foundation is remaining, I'm using it as my eye base. I'm going to quickly moisturize my lips. And for the concealer, I'm using this one, the shade which is very closest to my skin tone, and applying wherever I need it. And I'm going to blend it out using this beauty blender. She had a very highlighted base, that's what I could figure out from that picture. So I'm going to use this lighter shade concealer, applying it on the T-zone area and also on my under eyes, and then I will be blending it out using the beauty blender. I'm going to use a cream contour and I'm going to contour on sides of my nose. So SRIDEVI has a very sharp nose, so that's what we are also going to try over here. After contouring, I'm going to just use the highlighted shade concealer which we used before. I'm going to apply it slightly. Now to set the base, I'm going to use this loose translucent powder, applying it on the T-zone area. So basically wherever we have highlighted, I'm going to apply there, and whatever product is left on the blender, I'm going to use that to set my eye base as well. Now I'm going to quickly comb my eyebrows and then I'm going to fill it in using this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade using an angular brush. So she had a very thin brows, but it is quite filled in. I don't have thin brows, so I'm going to do whatever I have with. So I'm just going to fill it in. And then I'm going to use this bronze eyeshadow, applying it on the 2/3 of my eyelid. She had like a bronze black smoky eye going on, so that's what I'm going to do it. Now to blend the edges, I'm going to use this peachy shade on my crease area using a blending brush. For the outer corner, I'm going to take this black eyeshadow. Ever so slightly, I'm going to pack it on the outer edge of my eyes. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to blend it well so that the black does not be like very stark looking. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. Before applying mascara, I'm going to apply liner. Here I'm not doing any wing at all. I'm going to keep it very simple. Now I'm going to dust away the loose powder using this brush. I'm going to take a kajal. I'm going to tightline the upper lash line to have a fuller look. And then I'm going to take this nude pencil, going to apply it on my lower waterline. And then I'm going to take this kohl pencil, applying on the lower lash line. I'm smudging it off. Her lower lash line looked even more darker, so I'm going to take the liner that we used to line our eyes to apply that on the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to coat my lashes with mascara. I'm not sure whether if she had falsies or not. I couldn't figure it out with that picture, so I'm just going to stick with the mascara. Now to set rest of my face, I'm going to use this compact powder. And I'm going to use a contour powder to set the cream contour with the powder contour. Now as you can see in the picture, her contour and blush looked kind of concentrated in the lower part of her cheeks. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm applying the contour shade onto my lower cheek area and also the blush. for the lips, I'm going to line my lips first using this lip liner, and then I'll be using lipstick to fill the lips in completely. With this, we complete the SRIDEVI's inspired makeup look, and I hope you all enjoyed it as well. If you did, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.